Hey guys, and it's Usaj. Welcome back to another unboxing video. It's one of these boxes, and when it's one of these boxes, you guys know what it is. It's obviously it's a Samsung package, and this is going to be a long video, so yeah, let's get into it. So I'm just unboxing this, and yeah, just the keyring, and basically it tracks your keyring so you can never lose it. And we have a lot to talk about. So the small things, has a lot of feature, so you can track your, it has charge up to 500 days. You have to change this battery, and then you got another 500 days. If you click a button, you basically can track your phone, or if you lose your keys, you can use your phone to find this. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, that was a long video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.